Hey YouTube, it's Donna. I'm on my way to work, so that's why my hair wrapped up. I'm looking all like, whatever. So anyway, I wanted to answer a question I was asked from one of the viewers out there in YouTube world about how do I do my mapping. Anyway, I use this book called Understanding the Nursing Process, and as you can see, it has concepts of mapping. It tells you about concepts of mapping and care planning for students. So on page 12 of this book, and a few pages after, I think it's mostly just chapter 2, period, uses this. You can, page 12 and page 36 have different type of mapping. So I'm gonna start with like page 12, and on page 12, the subject is ability to shop. So the things that you need the ability to shop is that you're able to communicate, you can see products, you can count money, you got to use your hands, you can walk, and you need transportation. So out of this, for the subject, these are the things that you will need for the ability to shop. Let's see. On page, if you ever get this, is a really nice book. If you ever get this book, let's see, where is my page 30? Try to, really use it. It's a really nice book. Like I said, it helps me a lot with my care plans. It helps me get my nursing diagnosis, and then I can follow my planning, put down my planning and my interventions for my patient. So on page 43, the subject is not drinking enough fluids. Okay, so what are the conditions, or what are the things that's going on? And as you can see, he's not motivated. He can reach for his fluids. He does have problems swallowing. Let's see. Is he tired? Can he drink without assistance? And what fluid does he drink? So these are things of why possible of not drinking enough fluids, as you can see. Okay, so for pharmacology, I use mapping, and here's my mapping for my CNS stimulants. CNS stimulants: analgesics, amphetamines, anorexics. Anorexics are a non-amphetamine. They suppress appetite, and it in the hypothalamus. So those are the important things that I took out for anorexic. I took the uses that is used for ADHD, narcolepsy, sleep apnea, and obesity. So mapping is just taking out the really important parts to help you learn. So what you have to do is you have to read the chapter, you read the summary first, you read the chapter, you read the first and the last line, then you go back through and pick out the key points. I believe I said that right. I think that's how we were taught. It makes the chapter actually go faster, and you retain, because you're actually like overviewing the chapter, and then you actually reading the meat of the chapter, and then you taking out what you remember, and kind of like using mapping or just the key points that you need to remember. But mind you, you've already read the chapter almost like twice, so it's pretty good. It helps stimulate that learning. So you have your amphetamines. They also treat ADHD. It's elevated blood pressure. It's the adrenergic, which is a mimic. It mimics the adrenaline, if you want to say. Then you have your analgesics, which is caffeine. Caffeine is a cardiac stimulant, and it's a mild diuretic. So, these are the key points that need to be taken out of that for me to learn. So I hope it helped. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask, send me a note. And if you have any other suggestions on learning, I'm willing to take them all. I'm still almost got halfway to go. So anyway, good luck out there, and I'll be seeing you.